Hello everybody and welcome to IC Markets Market Commentary. My name is Tamar Mehr from Trade with Precision, and today I want to take a look at the European index market and the strong moves that we've seen in these markets in the last couple of days. And I want to start with the German index, the DAX, and the level that I'm looking at. So first of all, this is an area of consolidation, strong level around the 1750. We can see we were stuck underneath this level for a long while. Then we broke higher, pull back to test it from above, and then the strong move has started. So we have this very strong two bullish candles over here, and right now we've got overextension, meaning there's a distance between where price action sits right now and the moving averages. We also currently have the moving averages, the 10, 20, 50, all fanning, all in the correct order for an uptrend, and agreement here from the momentum indicators. So what I'm looking for in this market is two areas for pullback, and it's going to be similar for the other index markets as well. So for a shallow pullback, I am looking at the area of the 17,200 and basically back to the previous swing high. I'm looking for signs that the buyers are returning around this area and a continuation of the move. The other level that I'm looking at is more of a deeper pullback and a pullback in the context of the higher time frame, and that is to the 17,050 area. So basically back into this consolidation level. Now, if we'll take a look here on the weekly chart, we can see that if and when the market will pull back into that blue line, the 1750 area, then it will also bring the price back closer to its moving averages. So this is for the DAX. Let's take a look at the French index, and it's a similar scenario over here. We can see we had a consolidation, we had a push higher, it's a push to a higher high, pull back to test that level from above, and a strong continuation of this move. So on this index, I am looking for the first pullback, the shallower pullback in the context of the daily chart into the 7,800 level, so back into the swing high. And if and when the market will pull back into that area, it will be closer to its moving averages on the daily chart. The next level and the pullback from the context of the weekly chart that I'm looking at is this consolidation level, so the blue line, and that is the area around the 7,700 level. And once again, let's take a look here on the weekly chart. We can see the strong uptrend that we have, also overextension, that strong distance between where price action sits right now and the moving averages. So a pullback in and around the blue line will bring the market closer to its averages on the weekly chart. Lastly, I want to take a look at the Stocks 50. So on the daily chart, we've got a nice uptrend as well. Moving averages 10, 20, 50, all fanning, all in the correct order for an uptrend, and nice convergence here on the momentum indicators. Now, from the context of the daily chart, I'm looking at a pullback into the previous swing high, into the level of 47.80 area, and if and when the market will pull back into that area, will also be closer to its averages on the daily chart. In a context of the weekly pullback, I am looking at the level of 4600. We can see we had a couple of touches at that level in the past, and it was the previous swing high on the weekly chart before the pullback and a strong continuation of this move. And if we get that pullback in the context of the weekly chart, so back into the blue level and the previous swing high, the market will also be closer into these averages as well. Happy trading, everyone. Bye for now.